What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at box 893 Ground Combat Tanto. This is a very large knife. This is not necessarily a EDC friendly knife by any stretch of the imagination, but I thought it would be really cool to get into the channel, and this is the version that I've actually been wanting to get. I've seen the G10 version quite a bit, but that's not the one I wanted. So we got the Micarta handles instead of the G10 handles. So here we got the plenty of molly attachments on this poster, which is really good. Works out great to tie it in any way you want. This is adjustable. You can move it up into a higher slots. You can also just take this off and put another clip assembly on there and go without the whole nylon section. So that's really cool. Ooh, yeah, it's got some serious retention in that holster. So yeah, you don't even really need to worry about. Ooh, yeah, it's got some serious retention there, so you don't have to worry too much about it falling out. So there you got the nice Ground Combat Tanto. Very solid feeling. And this is also is 5160 steel, so very cool. Got a nice edge on it. Feels really good in the hands. Definitely feels really good in the hand there. It's got some nice swedges up here. Very interestingly ground. Definitely a solid knife for, like I said, not EDC friendly by any stretch of the imagination, but it is certainly camp friendly, or if you are a soldier and want a tactical knife, this definitely feels like it would certainly fit the bill. The Micarta feels good. It's not too furry, so to speak. So it's got a fair amount of epoxy in it, but it feels very grippy. Some really great machining. But yeah, it's a hefty knife. That would be a great camping knife if you're out spending the weekend in the woods. Very sturdy, very much gonna take any kind of punishment you're gonna throw at it. So very cool. Like I said, sheath, you could do away without the nylon. The retention is just very good. So you could just literally just put another special, clamp on pocket clip, or just molly attach it right to a vest or something, or to a backpack. Yeah, very cool. So there you guys go. That's just a quick little overview. I think we can manage to come up with some pretty cool projects in the near future to see just how tough and how much abuse this can take. So make sure you stick around for that, when we will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.